There she goes. Huh. You got the best spot in the house. Holy cow. Oh, there he is. There's a bee trying to get into the warm car. Come up here for a giant to take a video of his feet. Oh, the thinker. Whoa, you see that? Looks like some man with his with his hand up to his chin. He's thinking. I don't know what to say. He got petrified that way. What the? Some serious detail in it too. He's got some guy in a chokehold. I don't know. There's an old can. I don't know what to make of it. Huh. That's wild. Definitely an image in it. Can't really make that kind of stuff up. See the point. Wow. That's crazy. Huh. Alright then. That's weird. You seen it, right? It looked like a guy. I'll show you the video of it. Wow. That's nuts. Yeah. There's his feet. There's his head.